Okay, so we're on the bus and Courtney has a seatbelt on. See? She has a seatbelt on. And whenever we go to get off, she's going to tell the bus driver to hold on so she can take her seatbelt off. So, this is going to be funny.
I'll tell your bus
I look ugly. No, you don't. Okay, it's going to take us a minute to get to the bus stop. But hold on. The kid behind us likes to sing a lot. A lot. A lot. A lot.
Edward. I didn't see what I just seen, did I?
Stand up. Why are you recording yourself?
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Just wait. This is going to be funny. No. Hey. Seatbelt. Come get your stuff. Oh, no. I was like, is that my mom?
Yeah.
Mac Miller.
This bus needs to hurry and get it on my bus stop.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Fucking taking forever.
Okay, we're next, so hold this.
Pass it on. Guys, let me see it. Pass it on.
Come on, get it off of me.
Yeah, that's it. No, I'll give it to him.
Are you the Darcy one?
Yes, he's the
Okay.
Keep it. I'm the Darcy.
Put your seatbelt on. I'm not putting the seatbelt on.
Bye.
Do you see the kid hold his hand up like this? Are you really gonna do it?
Yeah, why wouldn't I?
Darcy over there.
Well, let me.
That's it. Right here. Right here.
Who did Jasmine hit? Who's crying? I don't know. I wish I could switch the camera around to the back camera, but I'm just gonna have to hold it like this. You gotta say it loud. Be like, hold on. Are you gonna be the last one to get out? Just be like, hold on, let me take my seatbelt off.
I don't know.
Okay, we're at our stop. Okay, wait for me to go. Okay, I will slow and I will slow down. Well, no, yeah, I gotta record it. So. Let everybody go. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's the man.
Get it off.
Bye.
Wait till everyone gets off.
Come on.
Hold